Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scioto County, northeastern Lewis County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Firebrick, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Franklin, Ernest, Wheelersburg. In addition, Rosemount, New Boston, Sciotaville, Haverhill, Sciotadale, Linford, Portsmouth Regional Airport and Powellsville are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.uk/ILM and submit a report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Tuesday evening for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwest Ohio.